The legendary Cambridge IELTS has just released book number 19, and this is my honest review. This review is for academic because I haven't got the book for general training yet, but you can use my review for listening, speaking, and test 2 writing. Make sure you watch the end of this video because I'm going to show you the computerized version that I just created for this book. If you're taking computer-based IELTS, this is very, very beneficial for you, and it is free. In listening, I think the difficulty level is about 6/10 according to my observation, and to compare to other Cambridge IELTS books, I think the most accurate speed that you can get so far is book number 17, because the speed that I got in my actual exam recently was exactly the same as in book number 17. This is a little bit slower than book number 17, so we can expect our actual exam to be exactly the same as this book, because this book is advertised by Cambridge as exactly like the real test. So we can expect the same speed. In reading, the difficulty level I think is still also 6/10, but the vocabulary level is a little bit higher than other books. So the topics are more contemporary. For example, it's about misinformation and it's about the rackets and tenets. I think it's quite new, and the vocabulary level is a little bit more of the advanced side of the English vocabulary. So be prepared for more advanced words in IELTS reading, in IELTS academic. Writing is a little bit more complicated than listening and reading. So in this book, I think the level of difficulty for writing is about 7/10 compared to other books. Topics in task 1 are all types, all right, and you can expect common topics in IELTS task 2 writing, so just the regular ones, yeah. But all the topics in speaking are very common, and I don't think we should expect some out of the box topics in our actual exam if this book is accurate, because Cambridge advertised this book as exactly like the real test. You can buy this book directly on the website of Cambridge University Press website. But if you are taking computer-based exam, I have an option for you. So I have been computerizing this book into the computer-based version, and test number 1 is already free for you to do. It's on my website, practice9.co, and you can find the link in my bio. At the moment, only test number 1 is available, but I will be doing all the tests later. And whenever I get the general training book, I will do that as well. You can also get other free practice tests on practice9.co. I'll see you there. For now, you have fun learning.